that time, y'all. It's that time. Y'all know what time it is. Shout out my boy Ivan on the toe. Sheesh. It's official. It's official like a whistle. That's the surprise I was telling y'all. She coming back. Look at that thing, boy. Sheesh.
Speed, step side. Everything is done. 6,000 on the backlash. Pattern 8-1. Detroit 2-track 411s master rebuild kit. Man, this thing is ready to go.
Sheesh. Yeah, boy. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is, baby. We back in the 5-speed thing. We back in the drift thing, bruh. Yeah, bruh. Y'all see it? That was a little surprise I had for y'all. You feel me? We back in the 5-speed, bruh. Got my boy Juan behind me in the Cholita. I don't know if y'all can see it, but my nigga back there in the Cholita, bro. We mobbing back to a bag, boy. Sheesh. We mobbing back to a bag. Y'all see the Cholita back there? Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. We back. Shout out my boy Vic. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. How you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing smooth today. As you guys can tell by today's video or today's title, the step side is officially back, bro. Yes, that is right. It is officially back. You know what I'm saying? On all flesh. Obviously, it's always been here, but now it's actually running. It's not broken. The diff is fixed. Fully built diff, 411s, true track, master rebuild kit. Shout out my boy Vic Differentials. I'll tag him down below. If you any of your diff needs or any diff build needs, hit up my boy Vic. He's done trucks, he's done cars, he's done a lot of different rear ends. He knows what he's doing. That's the wizard when it comes to diffs. Right now what I'm doing is I'm actually doing the tune-up on it. These wires are pretty old. I think I'm saying like 2 to 3 years old now. They're Granatelli wires, so it's time to swap them out. You know, we're going back to AC Delco. These things were nice. They're too expensive though, like $300 for some wires, you know, that are kind of poorly made, to be honest. A lot of people have had issues with these wires. They're not crimped properly inside, and then the wire comes off, and then you have a misfire, and you're trying to chase this misfire all day, and it's just these wires. So, yeah, personally, they're nice. They were cool. Don't recommend it anymore. I recommended them at one point. I personally don't recommend them more. It's not worth the price. It's not worth it. Just go with some AC Delcos, and you'll be perfectly fine. You can tell I'm running AC Delcos right now. Right now, the dilemma I'm having is these wires are short, so as you guys can tell, they're kind of like stretched onto there. There's no play, no wiggle room. But what I like is that it clears the header. So I don't have to run a sleeve on these compared to these are a little longer and you got to run the sleeve. The sleeve's already out though. I took it out. But yeah, so that's the dilemma I'm having right now. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run these wires. Hope that it doesn't come off of here, you know, with vibration and whatnot. But I guess we're going to find out, right? So yeah, trial and error. We're going to find out if these wires work. If not, I'm trying to go for just a little bit longer wires. Just because I don't want to run the wires that they're supposed to be running these trucks, because they're a lot lengthier and then they hang and then they rub on the header and you got to put heat sleeves on them. So I'm trying to avoid all that, but if I can, and it seems like this might work, I may need just little wires that are just a little bit longer than these. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna finish all the spark plugs right now. I'm gonna put the wires on it. There shouldn't be nothing else wrong with it. Diff is fixed, new water pump, new aluminum radiator, new power steering pump, new spark plugs and wires. This thing is ready to go, bro. I swear to God, this thing breaks after driving it, I'm fucking done, because I've fixed this truck back to back for hella different issues, and it keeps breaking after I fix it. So fingers crossed nothing else happens to it. So yeah, let me finish this tune up real quick. Be right with you guys. So we'll see, and then I'm gonna take it on a test drive, y'all. All right, y'all. So I finished both sides of the spark plugs. They're tight. The wires are in. I have a good feeling about these wires. Like I said, they're a little stretched to fit, but hopefully they don't come off. I guess we're gonna find out. If not, I'll just get some little longer ones. But anyways, both sides are done. I wanted you guys to check out this view though. Check out my view. Check out that view though, bruh. Yeesh. I can't remember the last time I had them both parked like that back to back. At least, you know, facing each other like that. My boy wanted to pull up with jumping wires because my sister has my jumping cables. So there he is. Y'all hear him? The LS Tree C10 pulling up. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. We're gonna see if it fires up. Hopefully the battery's still good. If not, I'm gonna have to just put the battery for the Tahoe for now. All right, here you go, y'all. Moment of truth. See if it fires up. We got power. Let's see if it fires up on that battery. Ooh. See. Oh. Oh, she's gonna fire her up. There she is. There she is. Ooh, that beautiful color in those wheels. Sounds good. Still sounds a little choppy. We'll see. Maybe it's because it hasn't ran in a while. Sounds good though. Sheesh. Yeah, boy. The drift truck is back. The drift truck is back, y'all. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Game over, y'all. Just see how it runs. It sounds like it's misfiring a little bit. We're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. Everything's good. Temps are good. Oil pressure is lovely. We got E. So besides the chirping bird I got in there, it's not running too bad. It feels like, you know, it's not running all that bad. It has been sitting for hella long on E, but at least the response is there, so I think it's running better for sure. I don't think it's misfiring like it was the other day when I brought it back. We're gonna see. Running, y'all. She's running. We just gotta fix the decel tune. I think she's running though. Oh yeah, big bag. Can I dump it? check this out, y'all. Sheesh. La Cholita and the step side back to back, boy. Oh wee. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't think I saw this day coming anytime this soon. But I'm glad it did. I'm glad it did. Check them things out, boy. They look good together. The twins. The twins. Ooh, which one you taking? Which one you taking? The 5-speed or the auto? But yeah, y'all see it though. The step side is back. Step side is back in full motion, boys. Angle mod and everything. Angle kit and everything. Look at that. Big angle. Stop playing. Could be you. Could be you. No mods needed. No fabrication needed. Direct bolt-on knuckle. Yeah. That's it, y'all. That's gonna be it for today's video, man. The step side is back, y'all. Huge shout out my boy Vic, man. I can't thank my boy enough for sponsoring the build. Then the day he put it together, I didn't do this, you know. I wouldn't have done this by myself. So huge shout out my boy Vic for taking care of me and taking care of the step side. She's a monster, bro. I can't explain to you how major these 411s are compared to what it was in. It was in 343s originally, and these 411s are incredible difference. I'm talking about like night to day difference. The whole time that I was sliding in that video, I was in second gear. There was no first gear at all. That was all second, and it felt like a first gear with way more power available and way more RPMs available. Yeah, it's a night and day difference. I 100% recommend going 411s. If you got a 5-speed automatics, that's up to you. If it's not your daily, go 411s. Just because I don't recommend 411s in a daily, because the RPMs are going to be really revved up when you're on the highway. It's pretty revved up. It's going to get annoying, trust me. Besides that, 100% recommend the 411 gears for anything that's like a 5-speed or 6-speed truck. 100% recommend 411 gears is the way to go, dude. It's super responsive. It just wants to go. For some reason, the truck feels hella grippy. I don't know why it was gripping like that, but it was gripping. I'm talking about, I would dump the clutch and it was spinning for like a split second and then it's gone. And it's hooking and booking. And Eric, I'm coming for your ass, boy. I'm coming for your ass, brother. You better be ready for me. You better get that cam thing ready, boy. He was barely getting me when you was cam, I think, or before cam. But we gonna find out now that I got 411s. Anyways, it's all love with my brother. You feel me? Step side. Man, I couldn't be any happier, dude. I honestly, to be honest, if I'm being honest with you guys right now, I feel like I'm living a movie right now because I can't believe this truck is running. I can't believe I'm driving it again. I can't believe I was just out there tearing it up. You know, really getting the feel for the truck again, feeling the angle. When I did the angle, I went out to the Sex Speed Shop event, and then after that, we went out and tested it that same night, obviously, before we went to the Sex Speed Shop event. But that was really the only testing I really did on the truck. After that, the radiator broke. After that, I fixed it. The water pump broke. After that, I fixed it, and then I went out testing it in the street. After that, I did the E85 on it, and then it broke after I did the E85. The diff broke, and it's been parked since then. So now, you know, we're back in it again. 411 gears, true track posi. Sorry if I got cotton mouth. This is gonna be a one-of-one truck, and in every aspect, this is gonna be a one-of-one truck. It already is, in my opinion. You feel me? But because there's a lot of trucks out there that are maybe built to drift, but a lot of trucks don't look as good as mine does drifting. I'm just gonna keep it 100 with y'all. My truck looks good while sliding, and it slides like butter, and it slides good. It does its thing. You feel me? Y'all see it. Y'all see, stop playing with me, bruh. Stop playing with the step side, man. This thing is nutso. We just gotta fix a little tuning on it. I already hit up my tuner to do some more fine tuning on the step side because it needs it. Because as you guys can tell on the decel, it decels really slow. So yeah, we gotta fix that. Big things coming. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's the way you're gonna stay tuned in with me. Hit that subscribe button. Click that bell notification if you want to get reminded every time that I upload. If you don't, then it's fine. You don't gotta click it. You feel me? But if you want to just subscribe, then I appreciate you just subscribing. You feel me? I really do appreciate it. Really do appreciate you guys watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for even just watching to the end of the video. You know, a lot of people don't like to watch all the way, or they like to click off after a few minutes, or even just the beginning. You know, so and even if you did click just beginning, I appreciate you just clicking the video and finding interest in clicking my video. You feel me? But anyways, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button. See you guys in the next video.